Good evening, everyone. My name is Ammar Alnatsheh, and I'm about to show you my work for the FEC project for Hack Reactor Camp. With my team, we decide to choose a Grubhub website and, to be more specific, the restaurant webpage. The reason why is because we felt it's very interactive and it's also include a lot of styling as well, and that would be a very nice challenge for us. If we log into any Grubhub website, we will notice that that page had at least four different components. The first one is going to be the profile one. The second one is going to be the menu one. Third one is going to be the suggestions, and I got chosen for the fourth one, which is the reviews. On my screen, I have actually the website on the right side and my work on the left side, so we can compare between both of them. As we see on Grubhub, the page include like in terms of like the reviews, two main components. The first one is a summary on the top, and the second one is going to be the list on the bottom. And we're going to notice for the review list, they're actually sorted by the most recent one and the highest rated one. Also, for each review, it will show you like what kind of items the reviewers actually bought or selected from the specific restaurants. And because of the dynamic of it, I decided to choose React to build the web page, or at least my component. I also use Express for the server, and I used SQL for the database, and that was actually a kind of challenge for me to read more about how SQL store a JSON file or at least an array inside their database. And it was kind of like a challenge to understand how to store it and retrieve that specific object. So let's go back to the React part and let's switch to my work. On the left side, as you see, I have the review list or the review summary on top and the list on the bottom. You can change between the order between the most recent one and the highest rated one. As well, you can see also the in terms of like the stars, I got the same exact match, and that was another like good challenge for me because I used to use font awesome to display stars, but it was not quite the same exact shape, so I had to switch to an SFG, and that was a good challenge for me to read more about SFG's component, how to interact with it, and how to let React actually read it and also render it on their component. Also, if we go all the way to the bottom, we will see that Grubhub has a feature or a button that if you click will stretch the page and show you all the reviews. Talking to my supervisor and my teams, we decide to review only 10 reviews at a time on each page, and you can switch between the reviews by a list at the bottom using like Google style between like jumping to a next page or not. The only difference is we're not jumping to a different page, we're just like rendering that specific reviews in terms of orders. Now I still like need to work on the style a little bit. I cannot get quite the same exact font because Grubhub has their own customized font, but I feel like I got close enough. And at the same time, in terms of like the icons, I got the same exact shape, but not the same exact style. I still like need to read how to resize an SFG element inside React, and hopefully you will see it done in my next video. So for now, I'll leave you and we'll publish the next video soon. Have a nice day.